Welcome to Kabayan Nation channel. Last week magandang pinakita ng open team ng Kabayan Badgers doon sa lungsod ng London, Ontario. And ano yun, tournament na yun ay Intercity at saka napakaganda ng laro. And this week, kami na naman ang magpapakita ng Gilas. And Kabayan Badgers 35 and up, we are ready to go.
Tomorrow?
Namiss ka namin to, tagal pa naman ang...
Coach Mab, ready ka na ba tomorrow, Coach Mab?
Siyempre, talagang handa na tayo.
So-surprise natin si RJ, ha? Sigurado na ba? 30 points yung Mab, ha? Welcome back.
Thank you, Tol.
Thank you sa
babalik modelo.
Good morning mga kababayan.
Morning. Pupunta kami ngayon sa London, Ontario. Dadayo kami ng basketball. Kabayan Badgers, abangan. Shh.
Parating niya lang yan. Ako pararating ko rin. Gano'n ako ng basketball.
Talaga, no?
Ano oras titihin natin, Tol?
7:30.
7:30?
Ayun na saya sa'yo. Tol, may ka, Tol. Yan. Ready na ba?
Yes, ready.
Sige, Tol.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Colonel, ilang kilometers na lang, Colonel?
5:40.
Okay.
Uy, I stunk.
No, that's okay. Malayo itong tintahan natin. Parang
I
bundok.
feel like I'm losing my mind.
Pagtutol, dito na tayo sa venue natin, St. Aquinas.
Please, Lord, give me a
Ganun ba yun?
sign.
St. Aquinas Secondary High School.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Entrance H. Yan na to.
Everybody in the world blind. Please, Lord, give me a
St. Aquinas.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make
To the
this
left, to
every
the
day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement.
H. Nasaan yung
The top is
H?
so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think
just
is
go around
amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey,
Tingnan natin yung
give me that
dahan-dahan ka lang.
crown, get in my
Baka
way and to be
mabundok yung
put
beer.
down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
Kotse dito.
Andun sa kabilang
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Makabalik ka na.
Everybody in the world.
Hey, yun, hey.
Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Bilat. Bilat. Maldito.
express when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Yan si Coach Ma'am. Coach Ma'am, Carding YouTube channel, follow nyo lang. Yan yun. H. Dito yata. Hamilton versus ano to Mississauga. Oh, really?
So nanalo ang the Warcats. Tapos as you can see, second game ang Kabayan Badgers, which is kami versus Kadi or Straw Throwing Warriors. Mga kaibigan, abangan nyo ang laban. Follow our channel. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe and like para makita nyo yung next na laban. Hanggang sa susunod, thank you for watching. Sheesh.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go